How to reset and recover your Microsoft account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset and recover your Microsoft account. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you will need to head over to Microsoft's website. Simply type in www.microsoft.com. After you type that in, this website should open up. On the top right hand side, you will see the plus icon. Simply tap on it and now you're on the sign in option. Now after you sign in, simply type in your email address, that is your Microsoft email address, and then tap on next. After you do that, you will see the password option that says forgot password. Simply tap on forgot password. After you tap on it, you should get redirected to this page right here. Now here you will have to verify your identity. So simply select your email and type in your recovery email. After you do so, your email should get a verification code. So let me do that here. So it will get a verification code. So head over to your email and then type in your verification code. So after you type in your email address and then the verification code that was sent to your email address, you'll get redirected to this page right here. Now here you can simply reset your password. It's that simple. So type in your new password. Make sure that your new password is very strong and the one that you can remember later on. So after you type in your new password will get reset. Now we'll head back over to the sign in page to just log in again. So let's just do that. Simply head over to Microsoft again and tap on this plus icon on the top right. That says sign in to your account. So after you type that in, you'll get redirected to this page right here. Tap on next and then type in the password and then tap on sign in. And after you do so, you'll get logged in. It currently says too many requests. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.